It's such a beautiful day out here today, family. Warmest welcome back to the Love Isla channel. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. On a day like this, nothing else comes in mind than recreating my childhood memories with this amazing popsicles, also known by Ghanaians as abelewalls. This bring a lot of golden memories from my childhood. Family, if you are interested in learning how I make my popsicles, please stay tuned. This is such a simple recipe. You need your whole milk, some milk powder. I use the needle, the original one, okay? And also I have some corn starch. All right, it's about 2 tablespoons. I do not like it too much. And also I have some sweetened condensed milk, and I do not have vanilla essence here at home, so I went ahead to use some vanilla sugar instead, just to get the vanilla flavor in it. First thing first, please put your saucepan on your gas and make sure it's on low heat, and then you put your milk in your saucepan and you add your condensed milk to it once it's warm. Okay, mind you, it shouldn't boil or get extremely hot. It should be warm so that everything that you put in will dissolve really well. That is the point. Okay, most important thing that you have to also bear in mind is to really stir well, because you do not want to get lumps in your mixture. So please stir very well, as much as you can. So once you see that that is also dissolved well, you go ahead and also add your milk powder. Mind you, do not add water, just save a little bit of the milk and add to the powder, and then mix it up and then add to your mixture whilst it's on low heat. Okay, for the ingredient that I use in this mixture, I used 1 liter of milk and 4 big tablespoons of my milk powder and 2 tablespoons of my condensed milk, and also 1 tablespoon of my cornstarch. Now this is clearly up to your taste. If you feel like you want to add sugar to it, you can go ahead, but the condensed milk that I used is sweetened already, so I did not use any sugar in it. I only used 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Now this is very optional. I just love to have vanilla fragrance in it. So once everything has boiled and it's quite warm here, you just take it off the gas and then put it aside for it to cool down before you start putting them in your cups. This is very simple, but look at that sokodia. The original abelewalls in Ghana has these sticks in it, and it's just amazing. I found out that I have some here and I said, yes, let's do it with sokodia. It is so great. So yes, just go ahead and put them in your cups. And once again, so now basically your ice cream is done. You just have to put them in the cup and then put it in the fridge, and yes, it is done. But it's also clearly very open. You can add some food colors to achieve different colors. But if you're a smart mom, like I'm trying to do, kids always love ice cream. So you can go your way and introduce some fruit in it. So here, color is just color. There is no nutrients in it at all. So here I had some blueberries, so I just went ahead and put some blueberries in it. And if you do not have a hand blender, you just go ahead and put it in the blender and blend it all up, and it will give you a different taste as well as the color. Kids love anything colorful, so you just play around and play with your mind, and you know that when they are eating, they are also consuming some vitamin C as well, and it's really, really very helpful, especially in this moment. So once you achieve that smooth mixture, you go ahead and put them in your popsicle or whatever container that you have at home. Kids love this. They are going to love you and give you a lot of kisses. It is very open. Fill it up, look, play with it, have fun with it. It is so exciting and fun. Once I'm done, I'm just adding mangoes to the leftover here. And yes, this is clearly up to your taste. So you know yourself, you know your kids, the type of fruit that they like. I do not have strawberries in the house. When I have it, I just also add that. It is so good, and look at how creamy this one came out. It is so good and very nutritious as well. So I really do prefer to do it in the evenings, knowing that we're going to have it the day after. So I just go ahead and put them in the fridge and leave it overnight, and now it will be ready the next morning. If you want to have it the same day, please do it in the morning, because it has to be in the freezer for at least 4 hours. This is the day after we're about to have it, and the very safe way to also have your ice cream come out nice from the cup is to fill your bowl with water and then place your cup right in it, and then you just turn it around and it comes out smoothly. Does this bring you way back to your abelewalls day in Ghana or what? It is so great and amazing. Funny enough, I have hustled as an ice cream seller. I and my mom made it, and we are selling it. It was so fun, and it brings a lot of good memories. And yes, we are done. How easy, how perfect. Look at me at the balcony enjoying this beautiful popsicles. Family, this brings us to the end of a great episode. I hope you try it. Your kids are going to love you even more. So if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and join the happy family. Until then, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.